How to fix Windows successfully loaded the device driver for this hardware but cannot find the hardware device, code 41. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows successfully loaded the device driver for this hardware but cannot find the hardware device, code 41, on your own Windows PC. 1. Delete upper filters and lower filters, if available, from registry editor at hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /control/C/EBFC108002B103118. Restart your computer. 2. Remove and reinstall the problematic device via Device Manager's scan for hardware changes. 3. Update the device driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.